everyone, this is Madagascar again, July 27. It's about 10:30 finally. We started the roof putting today. It was a bit not what I wanted, but sometimes things doesn't work the way how you want it. But now I'm okay, so I know for sure this will be done. So they're just starting to put the cement in for about 15 minutes ago, and the electrician, basically the one who made this whole things late, because yesterday instead he was just a partying, so the result of my work is get delayed. But I'm okay now, we're in good there. So anyway, today is the big day for me. After this I can relax and enjoy my vacation. And people are very excited for now because it's the beginning of the day. So everything is done by hand here. So this is what makes this hard. In America, there is not a big deal because all you have is your truck and your cement mixer, and then you just mix it, and maybe you need 2 or 3 guys to shake the roof. So here it's not exactly the same. So anyway, I'm sure it will be done again by the end of the day. So I'm paying for them, and the contract is until the job done. So it doesn't matter. This is the kind of job that you can't stop. You have to do it all day long. Even if we have to stay here until tomorrow, it doesn't matter. We will be here. Yeah, just a sec. So anyway, here are part of the crew. These are the cement mixer people, and they are taking a little break right now because they're waiting for everything to be poured down, and then they mix the cement again. I am paying for a cement mixer because I want it to get well and done fast, so I'm trying my best. I will keep you posted as we go along, and until then,